Hi, it's Jill for today. Oh, have I got something fun to show you. I have been wanting a new salt and pepper shaker, and I love OXO products, as you well know if you've watched any of my other reviews. This is the OXO salt grinder, and I was so thrilled with their pepper grinder, which I've done a review on, that I had to get the salt one. The pepper one is great and the salt one is just as good. They both have the same features. It's got from very fine up to very coarse, and it's just a matter of unscrewing the lid, pouring your salt in there and putting the lid back on, and you're ready to grind. And I'm going to see if I can show you. There's very fine, that's the most fine. And we're going to go to the center one, just middle of the road here. So you see it is coarser, and now we're going to go all the way to coarse. Oh yeah, see there? So we got really fine, very fine there. And this is coarse. This looks more of a kosher salt kind of a grind. This is almost a salt shaker, very, very close to salt shaker. And then here is nice and coarse. You know, the one thing that we love about these, the salt and the pepper ones, is that you can see when you're getting low on pepper. If you have like a wooden pepper grinder or a wooden salt grinder, you don't know when you're running out. You all of a sudden say, I'm out of pepper or I'm out of salt. This way you always know how much is in your pepper or your pepper mill or your salt mill. So, and they're OXO products, which I'm so sold on anyway. I must have, I don't know how many OXO products in my kitchen, but I am so happy to have come upon these, and these are now one of my most favorite things in my kitchen. So I wanted to share those with you. And don't forget, this is the one that just is perfect companion to that pepper one. Anyway, thanks a lot. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.